This is the Lockley Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes, and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockley's patent-pending offline access code, Lockley is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockley Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockley, come home secure, essential to every household.
Kwikset Smart Code 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt is the ultimate in touchscreen security. This sleek and elegantly designed, secure, innovative lock, supported by Kwikset's rich heritage as a trusted brand, provides a wealth of features and benefits that outshine the competition. The capacitive touchscreen is ultra-responsive, reacting instantly to touch. Illuminated at night by LEDs, it's just as visible during the day, and its sleek metal frame gives the lock a slim exterior profile. The robust locking features of the Smart Code 916 include one-touch locking enabled by a motorized deadbolt, 30 user codes, and optional auto lock that initiates after 30 seconds. The interior assembly has a dramatically reduced size protected by a tamper-resistant cover secured with anti-tamper screws. The whole lock is BHMA Grade 2 certified, has a 20-minute fire rating, and a backup cylinder for traditional key operation. And when needed, Kwikset's proprietary Smart Key technology provides an easy 3-step method to rekey the backup cylinder. Enhanced security features of the Smart Code 916 include optional secure screen that ensures there are fingerprints on all numbers of the touchscreen so codes can't be identified by simply examining the screen for a pattern, and an optional master code that, when enabled, adds a level of superior programming control over who may add or delete user codes. The Smart Code 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. No hardwiring required, and it's easy to use. This advanced lock stands alone as a total security solution, or when integrated into a comprehensive home automation system, can be remotely locked and unlocked. With one-touch locking, life is simpler and more convenient without carrying a key. Simple and easy meets style and innovation. Kwikset Smart Code 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt is the ultimate in touchscreen security.
Introducing Ausgust Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The Ausgust Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The Ausgust Doorbell Cam connects to any Ausgust smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home. Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.